Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. Oh, it's cold. 40 degrees outside right now. Not too bad, not too bad. Well, my bike's broken, y'all. My Lectric XP 3.0. Yeah, I came down from a jump really hard, and with it not having a rear suspension or swing arm or anything like that, it was only a matter of time until the frame snapped. Y'all, if y'all follow the channel and watch the way I ride, I'm pretty rough on the bike. I got my money's worth out of it though. It was fun, but now I don't have a bike to ride. I'm riding Sky's bike. Let's go. So, yeah, what do y'all think I should do to the bike? Like, should I fix it? Should I find some way to just weld it back together? Because it broke where they actually welded the frame together. It's only gonna happen again, right? Or should I just piece out my bike, like take out the rear hub, motor, controller, battery, and all that, and just sell it to somebody so they can build their own e-bike with it? It's a 48 volt 10 amp hour battery, I believe. It's gotten me here to there plenty of times, y'all. And it's still plenty fast. Got 2 batteries for it, so you can get a pretty good range. Pretty good range. Oh, I'm not going 51 in a 40, guys. You know the speedo's off. Yeah, I'm going with the flow of traffic. Everyone's going this fast. I'm not passing anybody by or anything. It's still a couple months away until I get my next e-bike, guys. So is my Lectric XP 3.0 even worth saving? Who knows, maybe I could just get it welded back together, and if anyone's interested, I can do a giveaway on it. How's that sound? Comment below, guys. What do you think I should do with my bike? And don't forget, there's still a giveaway right now. Once we've reached 500 subs, we're gonna be giving away a helmet. How was everybody's Thanksgiving weekend? Huh? Did y'all go do any crazy Black Friday shopping? I didn't. We didn't have a Thanksgiving meal, no Thanksgiving dinner or anything like that. We just chilled at home. This was really the first time we really didn't do anything for Thanksgiving, and we didn't do any Black Friday shopping. So yay for us. It was really chill, really chill, really chill. Yeah. I be moving, don't I? Whew. Talaria XXX. Almost at work, y'all. That means y'all got to go. Eco. Off. Yep. I'm gonna park it right here. Alrighty, y'all. End of the night. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. It is 42 degrees outside right now, guys. Kinda cold. You know. I'm on my way home now. Goodbye, fluffies. Goodbye. Yeah, I don't know what to do with my bike, guys. I think it's served its purpose, and it's time for me to move on from it. I'm about to buy a new bike anyway. Yeah, it's cold. I hope I make the light. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Talaria. Are you fast enough? Oh, it's slowing down. Why? It doesn't like the cold. Yay, I made the light. Awesome. Y'all think it's gonna snow around here this time of year? Best believe I'm still gonna ride. So I've got thermals on underneath my jeans. I got long socks on. I got thermal tops with a thick sweater, and I'm wearing this poofy wind resistant jacket, I guess. And then for my gloves, I have little glove liners on, like little rubber gloves on underneath these. Good thing I don't live far. Good thing it doesn't take forever to get home in the cold. Shit. Ooh, I smell gas. Huh? You know what you can smell off this thing? Power. It's windy. I'm kind of leaning to the side a little bit, fighting the wind. It's cold. Well, if you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe so we can put more out. Thanks for watching.